Are you standing at the digital currency crossroads, wondering which exchange will be your trusted guide into the world of crypto? In 2025, the landscape of cryptocurrency exchanges is more vibrant and competitive than ever. Two titans consistently rise to the top of that conversation: Kraken and Coinbase. Both boast millions of users, offer a vast array of digital assets, and promise a seamless trading experience. But beneath the surface, crucial differences exist that could significantly impact your crypto journey. Choosing the right exchange isn't just about picking a platform, it's about selecting a partner for your financial future in the decentralized world. Whether you're a seasoned trader executing complex strategies or a curious newcomer taking your first tentative steps, the exchange you choose will influence everything from the fees you pay and the security of your assets to the variety of coins you can access and the quality of customer support you receive. So, the burning question remains, in the dynamic year of 2025, when the crypto ecosystem is evolving at warp speed, which reigns supreme, the legendary Kraken or the user-friendly Coinbase? That's precisely what we're going to dissect in this in-depth comparison. We'll delve into the core aspects that matter most to crypto users, putting these two giants head-to-head across multiple critical categories. By the end of this exploration, you'll have the clarity you need to make an informed decision and confidently choose the platform that best aligns with your individual needs and investment goals. Let's dive in. Round 1: User Interface and Experience. For newcomers, and even experienced traders who value efficiency, the user interface, UI, and overall user experience, UX, can be a make-or-break factor. Coinbase has long been lauded for its incredibly intuitive and beginner-friendly interface. Navigating the platform feels seamless, with a clean design that doesn't overwhelm new users. Buying, selling, and converting cryptocurrencies is a straightforward process, often requiring just a few clicks. The mobile app mirrors this simplicity, allowing for convenient trading on the go. Coinbase prioritizes ease of use, making it an attractive option for those just starting their crypto adventure. Educational resources are often integrated directly into the platform, further assisting beginners in understanding the basics of cryptocurrency and trading. Kraken, while offering a more robust suite of features and advanced trading tools, can initially feel more complex to navigate. The interface, while functional, presents more information at once, which might be intimidating for beginners. However, for experienced traders, this depth of information and customization is a significant advantage. Kraken offers different interface options, including a simplified starter view, but its core strength lies in its professional-grade trading platform, Kraken Pro. This platform provides advanced charting tools, order types, and real-time data crucial for sophisticated trading strategies. The mobile app, while improving, still leans towards a more feature-rich experience, potentially with a steeper learning curve for novices. Verdict: Coinbase takes this round for its superior ease of use and beginner-friendly design. Kraken, while powerful, requires a greater level of familiarity with trading platforms. Round 2: Fees and Pricing Structures. Fees can significantly erode your trading profits over time, making a thorough understanding of an exchange's pricing structure essential. Coinbase typically employs a tiered fee structure based on transaction size. For smaller transactions, the percentage-based fees can be relatively high compared to other exchanges. Additionally, instant buys and sells often come with a premium. While Coinbase aims for transparency in displaying fees before you execute a trade, these costs can add up, especially for frequent small-volume traders. Coinbase One, a subscription service, offers zero-fee trading for a monthly fee, which can be beneficial for active traders. Kraken generally offers a more competitive fee structure, particularly for larger trading volumes. The tiered maker-taker fee model rewards users who place limit orders, makers, with lower fees compared to those who execute market orders, takers. The fees decrease as your 30-day trading volume increases. This structure is particularly advantageous for active traders and those dealing with larger sums. Kraken also offers various funding options with different associated fees, so it's crucial to understand the costs associated with your preferred deposit and withdrawal methods. Verdict: Kraken emerges victorious in this round due to its generally lower fees, especially for higher trading volumes and maker orders. Coinbase fees can be less competitive, particularly for smaller, non-Coinbase One users. Round 3. Security and Regulation. In the world of cryptocurrency, security is paramount. The safety of your digital assets should be a top priority when choosing an exchange. Coinbase has established a strong reputation for its security measures. They employ a combination of cold storage, storing the majority of user funds offline, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and encryption to protect user accounts and assets. Coinbase is also a publicly traded company and adheres to regulatory requirements in the jurisdictions where it operates, providing an added layer of accountability. They also offer insurance on digital assets held in online storage. Kraken also prioritizes security, utilizing similar industry-leading practices such as cold storage, 2FA, and robust encryption protocols. They have a clean security track record and have invested heavily in safeguarding their platform and user funds. Kraken has also been proactive in complying with regulatory frameworks in various regions. They offer advanced security features like whitelisting of withdrawal addresses, providing users with greater control over their funds. Verdict: this round is a tie. Both Kraken and Coinbase demonstrate a strong commitment to security and employ robust measures to protect user assets. Their proactive approach to regulation further enhances their trustworthiness. Round 4. Cryptocurrency Selection and Features. The variety of cryptocurrencies offered and the additional features available on an exchange can significantly enhance your trading and investment experience. Coinbase offers a curated selection of popular and well-established cryptocurrencies. While their list is constantly expanding, it might not include some of the newer or more niche altcoins available on other platforms. However, they focus on providing access to assets with strong market capitalization and liquidity. Beyond basic buying and selling, Coinbase offers features like staking, earning rewards for holding certain cryptocurrencies, educational resources, and a debit card in some regions. Their focus remains on providing a user-friendly gateway to the most prominent digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.